If you are in the market for a new iPhone, specifically the iPhone 17 Pro, you definitely need something like this, a user guide that you can reference as you're setting it up, as you're taking advantage and leveraging the features that are available. I currently have an iPhone 14 and I will be looking to upgrade to an iPhone 17. So I'm so glad I have this. This was actually sent to me for review, but it is a comprehensive guide that allows you to learn exactly how you can leverage those features and functionality with that new iPhone. And it's a really easy read. I got through it pretty quickly, again, just reading through and seeing what's available, but it's about 133 pages long. And I love that it has this table of contents. I think it's amazing because just say if you don't necessarily want to read the whole book, I think it's easy enough to flip through and read it all. But if there's something specifically that you want to work with, so say for example that you want to download your information from the cloud, say that you actually have an Android and you're switching to an iPhone, this has instructions on exactly what that looks like. And also pulling things down, so say that you had backed up your device on the cloud, how you pull everything down to the new phone. Also information about, just setting up your Wi-Fi or your internet connection, mail calendar, your dynamic island. So just say that you want to have widgets on your main page, you can set that up really easily. How to do sounds like vibration sounds, alarm sounds, etc. There's just so much in here. And there is a whole section on the camera. I know that the new iPhone has a really, really good camera. That's the reason I'm getting it personally, but it has information on exactly how you use the new settings with the new phone, which is awesome. How to make calls, how to send text later, Apple Intelligence. There's a big chapter on that as well. And I also love that you have color images in here. I'm a visual person. I love to be able to see exactly what you're talking about when you're guiding me through instructions. And it has visuals, and it also looks like it has your little phone here. So it's just like you're following along. It'd be really easy for you to go in and update. So as soon as I get my phone, I'm definitely going to make sure that I have this for reference so that I can go ahead and just make sure that I'm updating and using the technology that I have available to me in the best way possible.